This video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can delete your YouTube channel just in few steps, quick and easy and simple. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is just you need to go to your YouTube homepage like this and click over here on your icon over here of your YouTube channel like this, and click over here on YouTube Studio. Okay, so you will go to your YouTube Studio and we will follow just a few steps and your channel will be deleted. Okay, so you will be directly in your YouTube Studio homepage like this. Okay, as you can see, what you need to do next, you should see over here setting. Okay, click over here on setting and you will be directly in this page over here. As you can see, select over here channel. Okay, click on channel. You will be in this page. As you can see, select advanced setting. Okay, like this, and you will be in this page. Scroll down, so just scroll down, click over here on manage YouTube account. Okay, it will take you to this next page, as you can see over here. Okay, so let me show you what you need to do next. As you can see over here, you will be directly in this page. Scroll down, click over here on view advanced setting. Okay, like this, scroll down and you should see over here delete channel. Okay, so just click over here on delete channel and your YouTube channel will be deleted. Okay, that's how we can delete YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.